Odoo accounting configuration and settings. This video covers the many settings found in the Odoo accounting application's configuration menu. To get started, navigate to the accounting app. Once there, go to Configuration, Settings. Here we'll cover all available settings, where we'll explore the configuration and settings for customer payments in Odoo. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage and optimize customer payments using Odoo's powerful tools and features. Let's dive in. Invoice Online Payment. The first setting we'll look at is Invoice Online Payment. By enabling this option, you allow your customers to conveniently pay their invoices online. This feature provides a seamless payment experience for your customers and helps you get paid faster. With just a few clicks, your customers can complete their transactions using integrated payment methods like credit cards or online payment platforms. This is particularly beneficial for businesses aiming to offer flexibility and ease to their clients. SEPA Direct Debit, SDD. Next, let's talk about SEPA Direct Debit or SDD. This feature is essential for businesses dealing with customers in the Eurozone. Enabling SEPA Direct Debit allows you to collect payments directly from your customers' bank accounts using the Euro SEPA service. This method is highly secure, efficient, and ideal for recurring payments like subscriptions or memberships. Once enabled, you can manage mandates and ensure smooth direct debit operations. Batch payments. Now, moving on to batch payments, a feature designed to simplify and streamline your payment reconciliation process. By enabling this option, you can group multiple payments into a single batch. This is especially useful for businesses that handle a high volume of transactions. With batch payments, you save time, reduce errors, and improve the overall efficiency of your accounting workflow. This feature ensures that payment processing and reconciliation are faster and more organized. QR codes. Finally, let's discuss the QR codes feature. By enabling this option, you can add a QR code directly to your invoices. This makes it incredibly easy for customers to scan and pay their invoices using their smartphones. QR codes are not just convenient for your customers, but also a modern way to enhance your invoicing experience. They reduce manual errors and speed up the payment process. This feature is particularly effective if you're looking to provide a tech-savvy payment option to your clients. Conclusion. In this video, we've covered essential features for configuring customer payments in Odoo, including Invoice Online Payment, SEPA Direct Debit, batch payments, and QR codes. By enabling these features, you can enhance your payment processes, improve customer satisfaction, and ensure efficient financial management. I hope you all have a clear understanding of the concepts covered in this video. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to leave a comment below. For more support, please subscribe, share, and like the video. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated on my latest releases.